Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-59, concurrent with I-20 east, beginning at mile 17 in the city of Livingston, Alabama, the county seat of Sumter County. The weather was looking a little bad here, but things cleared up within a few miles. Livingston was incorporated in 1835 and has an estimated population of 3,333. Livingston is home to the University of West Alabama and is named for Edward Livingston, an American jurist and statesman from New York. At exit 23, we pass near the western edge of the town of Epes, which has a population of 172. We crossed the Tombigbee River on the Sally S. Memorial Bridge built in 1976. Then we entered Greene County, named in honor of Revolutionary War General Nathaniel Greene of Rhode Island. Greene County has an estimated population of 8,330, making it the least populous county in Alabama. I-59 passes along the western edge of the town of Boligee, incorporated in 1926 and accessed by exit 32. Boligee has an estimated population of 302 people. Exit 40 provides access to the Bevill Lock and Dam Visitor Center, an authentic reproduction of a mid-19th century plantation house surrounded by extensive lawns with scattered rows of shade trees. The Lock and Dam is one of 4 lock and dam structures on the Tennessee Tombigbee waterway that generally lie along the original course of the Tombigbee River. It's located near Aliceville, Alabama, and impounds Aliceville Lake. It is named for Tom Bevill, a proponent of the 10 Tom waterway. This is the town of Eutaw, which is the county seat of Greene County. We conclude today's video at exit 45 near the town of Union, Alabama. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.